I'm getting ready to do a new water catchment system. Those are 3 IBC totes, and these are 4 60-gallon drums. All of these are food grade, pretty new tanks, and FDA label. That's pretty cool. These ones held lime juice concentrate and are in very good condition. This was about $300 for these all together. And I also got a new gutter installed on the house for $400. So far I'm into this project for $700. This one has a lot more in it, but none of them look crusty. It doesn't look like, I haven't touched these lids yet, and I don't see any mold or anything growing on the bottom. These drums are a bit older. I've been cleaning up the bungs inside the house, so the bungs cleaned up real well. They have this symbol here, and the seller said that all of this was food grade, that this is this white on the inside is supposed to be a BPA free liner. I just took the foil off of this opening here, and it still has the safety seal. So come on, there we go. And that is lemon juice concentrate, or lime juice concentrate. So now I can flush out the inside. Wow, good job.
Want to do it myself?
It's all you.
You're missing it.
Mother, how want that? I want it. I want it, Daddy.
I moved all the barrels and totes inside the garage. I have to do that because it's going to go below freezing tonight, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. And I don't want this stuff to freeze. I don't think that this would freeze to a solid block, but I would be worried about these valves freezing and cracking. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I guess this will be part 1 of building a water system. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and check out some of the links in the description below. They really do help out the channel.